Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to draw or make a red color line in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now select this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this comment option. Select. Now click this drawing tool and select this line option. Now draw a line and click on this line and select and click right button, and here you will find this properties option. And this line border color option and select here red color, and this is line color now red. Now you can see the line thickness if you want, and say this okay. Also again I will insert a line. Also you can see the line color here. Click this color option and select border, and this is red color, and see this. In this you can add red color line in a PDF file. Now select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.